What's going on, YouTube? I am back with another video. This is going to be video number 3. This is going to be for the Nike Air Max 1 87 Supreme collab. I did receive this box today. This is going to be number 3. And yeah, let's get into this. All right. So, of course, I've already done the review on the white one and the black one. So this is going to be the yellow one. I did go ahead and open that already. Save some time on doing that. But, of course, they're still using this paper, the school project paper. Not too sure what that's all about. I guess it's supposed to protect the shoe. Of course, same gig. Supreme sticker. You see it. Paper once again, and the box. Okay, well, again, the box is with the glossiness, matte on the bottom, matte black. There's the bottom of the box once again. And one thing I didn't do, again, look. Whew. That is a beautiful, wow. That's wow. All right. And you see how they're individually wrapped or partially wrapped with different paper. And of course, the Nike Supreme branding paper. Wrap this bad boy. That is one beautiful for this. YCM sticker. And you're going to see the QC sticker as well. All right, and the stamp, just like the other ones. Looks like 09252481. All right, nothing else. Box size is the same, 320 by 200 by 110. All right. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Wow. Different feeling than the white and the black. That's beautiful. Oh, look at how that white pops on that yellow. That's insane. Insane. It's a beautiful shoe. Let's take a look at the world famous Supreme logo on the bottom. Of course, the yellow bubble. Insane. That's different. Of course, Supreme 1994 on the bottom. About a toe box. A sleek toe. Bottom. Oh, my Lord. Beautiful. All right. I'll do the same thing. Like I thought, it's going to be the white, yellow laces. You know what? I'm actually just going to use this one. How about that? Here goes a lace swap bag. All right. And of course, slide it through. Hang tag. Beautiful. All right, let's do the same thing. I'm gonna take a paper. A little paper right there. Paper in a toe. Just gonna look at inside. I'm sure you guys get it. All right. Get the tongue real quick. Wow. I'm going to tell you right now, it feels like this leather is going to wrinkle a lot. Feels like it's going to wrinkle a lot. All right, date code. SQ Factory. Looking like 061824 090524. Take a look at that. Yep, usual. Is this the new thing now? Or maybe it's been a thing. I remember when the last time I had an Air Max 1. Look at that color. Let's take a look at inside. And I will input the tag right now. Alright, well, that's going to do it. A quick short video. Use it for whatever you feel like. Review, legit checking, just in case. Yeah. There you have it. That is the yellow pair. I wasn't able to get the purple ones, of course not. They wanted those. They wanted those bad. But there you have it. Alright, that's going to do it for this quick video. Please subscribe. Hit that like button.